Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, and in this video we are going to be making a DIY gift tag to make a Thanksgiving gift with a little tea towel that would be great as a hostess gift. So here is the finished project, and we are going to start with folding the towel strategically so that that beautiful embroidery shows on the front, and that's part of our presentation. Next, I'll take some ribbon. This is in basic beige. It's a good match for this towel. And I'm going to cut it long enough to tie a bow. So I chose a narrow ribbon here so as not to cover up any of the pretty embroidery there. So I'm going to look at the colors in the towel, and I think those are pumpkin pie, cherry cobbler, and mossy meadow. So I've die cut some leaves from the Autumn Leaves dies, and I'll also be using that image from the set later on. For the tag, I'm using one from the Greetings of the Seasons dies, and I'm going to cut it in basic beige to match the towel. So for the sentiment, I chose Courage and Faith, in Everything Give Thanks, and I'm going to use cherry cobbler ink to stamp the sentiment in the middle of the tag. Next, I'm going to start arranging the leaves. I'm going to use 3 of them, and I want one of each color. So I'm just going to play around with them just a bit to decide how I want placement. But as I look at it, I decide I need something else stamped on there. So I'm going to get one of the stamps from the Autumn Leaf stamp set, this big maple leaf, and use basic beige ink, stamp off on the scratch paper to lighten it up, and stamp directly over the sentiment, and that gives it a bit of a background. So next I can go back to my leaves and strategically place them and glue them onto the tag. So I like to use sets of 3, well, odd numbers really, but 5 leaves would have been a bit much, and I didn't want to take away from the verse there. So it's important here to remember not to put too much glue so you don't have any hanging off the back of the tag. Next, I'm going to take a piece of linen thread. It's about 10 inches long, I guess, and thread it through with a loop and push those 2 tails through that so I can have something to tie on the ribbon that's already on the towel. So this way, when the recipient receives the towel, the whole ribbon can be just slid off there, and it preserves the tag. Now, this tag can also be used as a card front, so keep that in mind. Let's add a couple of gems. These are faux glass dots, and I'm going to use 3 of those scattered there. And there we have a nice hostess gift or gift for a friend or family member that you can give during this season of thanks. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure you like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Have a great day. And this is Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, inspiring you to create, share, and make a difference. Take care. Bye-bye.